University announced on Monday that it has filed suit to halt a federal freeze of more than $2.2 billion in grants after the institution said that it would defy the Trump administration demand to limit the activism on the campus, and also in the letter to the Harvard earlier this month saying that the Trump administration has called for broad government and leadership reforms at the university as well as changes to the admission policies. It also demanded that the university audit views of the diversity on campus and stop recognizing some students as clubs. Also, Harvard President Alan Garber said that the university would not bend to the government's demand, and also hours later, the government froze the billion of dollars in the federal funding. Also, the government has not and cannot identify any rational connection between the anti-Semitism concerns and the medical, scientific, technological, and other research it has frozen that aims to save the American lives, foster the American success, preserve the American security, and maintain the America's position as a global leader in innovation, the university wrote in the lawsuit filed in Boston federal court. Also, nor has the government acknowledged the significant consequences that the indefinite freeze of the billion of dollars in the federal research funding will have on the Harvard's research programs, the beneficiary of that research, and the national interest in furthering the American innovation and progress, it added. The Trump administration did not immediately respond to an email from the Associated Press requesting for a comment. In its letter dated April 11, the administration told Harvard to impose tough discipline on the protesters and to screen the international students for those who are hostile to the American values. It also called for the broad leadership reform at the university, changes to the admission policy, and the removal of the college recognition from some student clubs. Also, the government has demanded the Harvard audit its faculty and also the student body to ensure the wide viewpoints in every department, and if necessary diversify by admitting additional students and hiring new faculty. Also, last Monday, Harvard said that it would not comply, citing the First Amendment. The following day, Trump took to his Truth Social platform questioning whether the university should lose its tax-exempt status, and also if it keeps pushing the political, ideological, and terrorist-inspired supporting sickness. The Trump administration also threatened to block the university from enrolling into the international student